Hey everyone, it's June, and that means it's Pride Month. And if you remember the LGBT community or an ally, you probably already knew this. But do you know the full extent of rights that people in the LGBT community actually have? Hi, I'm James Hucks from Hucks Law Firm, and I help workers fight for their rights against their employers. Last year, after the Supreme Court ruled that Title VII prevented discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation and gender identity, a lot of people celebrated, myself included, and rightfully so. It was a monumental change and a monumental interpretation of the law that's having monumental impact. The only problem, though, is that the ruling didn't really change state law. It just focused on changing that federal law interpretation for Title VII claims. And that's a big distinction to have, mainly because Title VII applies for employers who have 15 or more workers. And state law claims, like in the Ohio discrimination laws, apply for workers or employers that have 4 or more. So by definition, if you have a discrimination or anti-discrimination statute in Ohio, it's going to apply to more people and protect more individuals than that Title VII is going to change. Now, there doesn't mean that there's no protections at all for people in the LGBT community in Ohio. There are different counties that have made different anti-discrimination statutes, and there are different cities who have discrimination statutes. But even those discrimination statutes sometimes have limitations. Sometimes they're just limited to people who are county or public employees. Right now, there is one big initiative to change that, and that's with the Ohio Fairness Act. The Ohio Fairness Act would make it so it would be illegal to discriminate against somebody on the basis of their sexual orientation or gender identity in the state of Ohio. That has been pending for quite some time, and it's picking up steam a little bit more now. Hopefully, we'll see that get passed soon and have an even bigger change for civil rights and for LGBT rights in Ohio. That's all I have for you all today. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for more updates and breakdowns like this one. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day.